Norfolk Southern that's sitting on the line here. We see them here a lot, and they're usually not moving, but this one's fired up. We don't know how long it's going to be though, so get back in the truck and head to the yard probably. All right, so what I found out was this thing is sitting here. He's running, but he's just kind of idle in there. Yeah. Who knows how long it'll be. This is pretty sweet.
I forgot to put my GoPro.
He might be all. He might be not.
Any of this.
Oh, there's a Railfanner.
Well, there is.
He's coming.
My tripod?
Yeah. Hurry up, though. We're kind of running late. Just don't go front full. Oh, Kansas City. That's a nice one right there.
That was awesome. I think I nailed the autofocus.
All right, that was sweet.
I wasn't expecting that.
No, me neither. Dude, I heard the horn from the other way. I'm like, oh, uh-oh. All right, y'all. Well, we never seen other Railfanners out here, but there's two guys down there. And then this guy, we drove up to our second spot, and this guy's here already with a drone. Anyway, we're gonna walk down here a little ways. We usually walk down here. Hi, y'all. We got a train in here to run up to it. Hold on a minute. We are out today. It's the heritage unit that we saw a month ago. Yeah.
You got it. This is a really good shot.
Oh, really?
This is a really cool shot. Wide shot.
He's powering up. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good shot. Oh, that's a nice shot. That's sketchy. It's not bad. This is pretty cool. We're gonna head back to the truck and get back to where we were. We just saw that Kansas City. And we're gonna get on that splay of the two trucks coming out of the yard because there was a Norfolk Southern there. This one's pointing that way, we know that. So I think just hire us down there. We'll hang there for a little bit. No, he's not moving.
Oh, God, I thought he was.
Going on.
Hey, James, come here.
I gotta move engines from 3 to 1, and then when the B100 goes by, it's a ferry straight. I gotta shove my whole train back into the yard here, set off the rear 3 cars and pick up 50 auto racks off of 3. So I don't know if you'd be able to watch it shove somehow or
The B100
something.
can buy it.
We're gonna be okay, I'll be back out.
Yeah, I feel like he's gonna clear him any minute.
Guys,
He does have to come up quite a ways.
Hold on the MOED 6945. Okay, Raj.
Hell yeah!
Far enough. Off the pin. Far enough? Yeah, that's far enough. Marker at the rear end of this trash you're picking up. If there's a marker there, I'll just take it. Alright, MOED, you're taking it.
He said he's far enough, they're stopping it. We're out. Successful day. See you guys.